I'm David Chapman. I'm the Managing Director of Matsuura Machinery in the UK. Took over from Roger Halkins in January 2025 following Roger's retirement from the business. Our drive at Matsuura is to provide quality products and services with an unrivaled infrastructure behind that to provide or enhance their customer experience and to give them success. So obviously Matsuura is our key product, which we've represented for over 3 decades now in the UK. Accompanying that, we represent Murata, SNK, Toshiolin and Nagata. And in addition to that, we also have our additive brands with HP, Dimension and Rebose. Certainly from a Matsuura brand, we will service pretty much across the board in the UK and engineering sectors. We do focus quite a lot on subcontractors, but also we're into first tier OEMs, which is basically the provision of multi-pallet automated equipment with multiple tool packs. The Matsuura's differentiation really is our people. We have 76 people based in the UK, dedicated to customer success, and we really focus on delivering that key service to the customers, not just purely from the initial sale of the equipment, but through the lifespan of the equipment and ensuring the customer's full satisfaction. The support structure we have in the UK in terms of our spares, spindle business and after sale, 31 dedicated staff in service, and our applications technical team to support the customer from cradle to grave. I'm really excited about the role that I took on following from Roger's success over the previous years. And our challenge now is really to build on that success and continue to grow the business and grow the marketplace for Matsuura in the UK.